Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best Nintendo Switch controllers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. It carries a hefty price tag, but Nintendo's Pro Controller is still the best traditional gamepad for playing Switch games like Splatoon 2 or Super Smash Bros. Ultimate with maximum precision. Its translucent plastic design is both sturdy and supremely comfortable, with ergonomic curves and textured grips on the handles. The thumbsticks are durable and soft to the touch, and the face buttons are big and satisfyingly clicky. One of the controller's only shortcomings is the D-pad, which is solid, but not as big or precise as some of the third-party options out there. The Pro Controller also features full HD rumble and motion control support, as well as NFC functionality for scanning in amiibos. Reasons to buy: supremely comfortable design, sturdy sticks and buttons, supports NFC, rumble and motion controls. Reasons to avoid: expensive, so-so D-pad. Number 2. Our second best pick is PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller. If you don't have the $70 to fork out for Nintendo's Pro Controller, the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller is the best Nintendo Switch controller alternative for $20 less. This gamepad has a lightweight but substantial design, solid buttons and analog sticks that we've found to be even smoother than that of the Pro Controller. And while PowerA's controller lacks rumble, you'll still get motion control support for titles like Splatoon 2 and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. To top it off, the enhanced wireless controller comes in a variety of slick color schemes that include licensed Mario, Zelda, and Diablo options. Reasons to buy: cheaper than Pro Controller, solid sticks, motion controls, great colors and design, extra programmable buttons. Reasons to avoid: no rumble, top heavy, battery powered. Number 3. Our third best pick is PDP Faceoff Deluxe Audio Wired Controller. PDP's Faceoff Deluxe Audio Wired Controller stands out from the pack by being the only one of our best Nintendo Switch controllers that you can plug a pair of headphones into. That means you can get more immersed in Breath of the Wild from the couch, or use your gaming headset to talk with friends in games that support built-in voice chat, including Fortnite. It's also a fine budget controller in its own right, offering a solid plastic build, satisfying sticks and triggers, and handy programmable buttons on the rear for mapping extra inputs. Reasons to buy: low price, solid design, programmable buttons, good feel to the buttons and triggers. Reasons to avoid: non-removable wire, no rumble. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hori D-pad controller. If you're jealous of the Nintendo Switch Lite just because it has a proper D-pad, save your $200. Hori's excellent D-pad controller will do the trick for just $25. This neat little accessory replaces your Switch's left Joy-Con with one that features a full directional pad, which feels even more precise and satisfying than Nintendo's Pro Controller. It also comes in a trio of fun styles for Zelda, Mario, and Pokemon fans. While it doesn't work wirelessly and lacks HD rumble, Hori's custom Joy-Con is the best Nintendo Switch controller for anyone who plays fighting games or platformers on the go. Reasons to buy: excellent D-pad, solid analog stick and shoulder buttons, affordable. Reasons to avoid: doesn't work wirelessly, no rumble. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is 8-bit Lite. If you want a separate controller to complement your handheld-only Nintendo Switch Lite, then 8-bit sells a suitably light controller for you to try. The compact controller comes in the same bright yellow or blue as the Switch Lite and features dual D-pad inputs. The lack of analog sticks could be an issue depending on the game you're playing. It also doesn't feature any advanced features like the standard Switch controls do, which again may pose an issue when playing certain titles. Overall though, having a controller designed with the Switch Lite in mind is a great idea, and could prove to be a handy backup pad when you are in the mood for some impromptu multiplayer or co-op. Reasons to buy: compact size, custom turbo button, lively Switch Lite inspired design. Reasons to avoid: no advanced features, no joystick. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.